Hello, my name is Jordan. In this video, I'll be talking about our basic Scruggs style arrangement for You Are My Sunshine that we have on Tunefox. This one just incorporates some forward rolls mixed in with a few pinches and the melody. There's even just a few slides in here as well. So if you're a beginner and you're just diving into this Scruggs style and you're just getting the hang of some of these rolls and a few basic licks, this is a great arrangement to check out. I'll also go over some practice strategies and some technique tips that will help you learn to play this more smoothly and practice it more effectively. All right, here's what this one sounds like a bit more at speed. 1, 2, 3. All right, here's what this one sounds like at a slower speed. 1 and 2 and 3. All right, so that's just a nice, simple arrangement of You Are My Sunshine with kind of some beginner Scruggs style elements. I want to encourage you all to listen regularly before you play and read as well, right? If you look through this, you will notice a lot of patterns in the way the melody is interpreted, right? Kind of analyze it measure by measure. Several of these have this kind of pattern, and it sounds like this. 1 and 2 and a 3 and 4 and, right? That's measure 2. Measure 3 has the same pattern. We're playing on different strings, playing different notes, but it's got the same rhythm pattern. 1 and 2 and a 3 and 4 and, right? If I'm just clapping it, this will make it a little bit more clear. 1 and 2 and a 3 and 4 and, okay? So if you're not familiar with counting in that way, that's fine. Just make listening a part of your practice. Make sure to pay attention to the pick hand markings in this arrangement. Most of the forward rolls are just 4 notes of a forward roll, so they don't last too long. And most of them are ending on the 5th string that we play with our thumb. So the next note we play is either going to be with our index or our middle, usually, when we're ending a forward roll on a thumb note. All right, there's a lot of licks and variations for you to explore once you get this basic arrangement down, but make sure you have that down before diving too deep into those licks. It's okay to check it out as a source of inspiration, or if you just want to learn something bite-sized. Sometimes that's good to get a little piece of something down really well instead of, you know, struggling with this big thing that seems hard to tackle. So sometimes just learning a single lick can be something great that really helps you get that sense of achievement and helps you learn a new piece of vocabulary. If you plan on playing with others at some point, definitely check out the backup vamping arrangement for this tune. It's in the key of C, but as we talk about in that video, once you learn the pattern, we'll be able to easily move it to the key of G, and that's demonstrated in that video as well. If you haven't learned the basic melody, please check that out. If this one seemed too hard, check out one of the 2-finger arrangements. And if it's not challenging enough, check out the other Scruggs style one to give yourself a bit more challenge and add a bit more flair. Scruggs style, that is, to You Are My Sunshine. All right, that's all we've got for this one. Keep picking and stay tuned.